here. Yeah, where's here?
Scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You'll shake and shudder in surprise when you hear these zombies shriek. Spooky, scary, spooky, scary, spooky, scary, spooky, 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 spooky,
What's up, my royal flush? It is RJ Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back with another video. It is currently, what time is it? It is currently 2:08 in the morning, y'all. I'm trying to hurry up and film this intro so I can get out of here, take off all this makeup, get ready, you know, and all this other stuff. Yeah, and today's video is going to be a HALLOWEENTOWN inspired makeup look that I seen on YouTube. I forgot the girl that actually did it in the beginning, and this was like my own little spin on it, my own little take. So yeah, y'all, if y'all want to see how to get this Halloween inspired look, I am going to start like trying to do some like creative looks, because I have these paint palettes from Wet n Wild. I have a whole bunch of like, they're basically their fantasy maker line. I have like basically everything. So I'm going to try to do something creative, like, because I never actually did creative Halloween makeup before. Never. Yes. So yeah, y'all, if y'all want to see how to get this HALLOWEENTOWN inspired makeup look, then keep on watching. But before we get into the video, y'all thought y'all was about to get the hell away from you. Y'all thought y'all was really about to get just into this video. Please hit that subscribe button, y'all. Subscribe. It really helps me a lot. And also hit that bell notification button right next to that to be notified for my future uploads. And at any point in this video, you guys are enjoying yourself, you guys are enjoying me and my content, y'all enjoyed this look, and give this video a big thumbs up, y'all. And if you didn't like it, you can thumbs it down. You can. And with that being said, y'all, let's just get into this video.
We do this, baby, you better use it. Use your imagination.
Okay, you guys, so I did my eyebrows off camera because they were not going as planned as I wanted them to on. So I took the Benefit Boing concealer that I got as a little sample in the set that I got, and I'm going to blend that out with my Morphe sponge. So a word to the wise about this concealer: do not let it sit, because this dries down so fast. So I'm going to be taking the Life's a Drag palette by Manny MUA, and I'm going to be taking the purple in here called Pageant Queen. I'm going to be using that as a base. Next, I'm going to be using my 35B palette by Morphe. You cannot use this palette anymore because they don't sell this palette anymore. And I'm going to be taking this deeper purple right here, and I'm going to be using that just to deepen up the color and make it more vibrant. I have those two colors all blended out. I'm going to be taking the 35O again. I'm going to be taking the deeper purple right up here, and I'm going to just deepen up my crease. Next, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade White to cut out my crease. So for the center of my lid where I cut my crease at, I'm going to be taking the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Hung Over, which is this deep purple color right here. And this shade is pretty terrible, but you just gotta know how to finesse it really. And I'm pretty much finessing it. So let me just take it, pack it on. And for concealer, you guys, I use the Beauty Bakery Cake Face Concealer and the ColourPop No Filter Concealer together. Okay, you guys, so now that I blown out like my under eye with the same colors, and I put the NYX Cosmetics eye pencil, like, which is this bright pink one, in my waterline, I'm going to be taking the Mild Makeup green pigment, which like is like a lime green, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to pack that in my inner corner. So for mascara, I use the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. This mascara is so good. It's pretty good. I kind of love it. If y'all, okay, I kind of love it. Lashes, I popped on the Dodo lashes in the style D3010 or D310, I think. And you can definitely use my code JHEART at checkout for all your Dodo lashes purchases for 10% off your purchases. So definitely y'all should support me and use my code, okay? Okay, guys, so this is the finished look of my Halloween Town inspired makeup look, inspired by someone, I forgot her name. I just ran across her video on YouTube. So if you do see what I'm talking about, y'all know what I'm talking about, her, please comment her name down below, just to help me out, help me find her. Yeah, so it is really cute. Like, I just really fell in love with her look when I seen it, so I was like, I have to redo it but put my own little spin to it, because I think she just had all matte and I put some glitter on. I put like a dark fall glossy lip, all that other stuff, all that kind of good stuff. I tried to incorporate older products that I use that I typically don't use that much, like, because I always stay with the same foundation, like the Too Faced foundation lately. But yeah, and also I'm back, y'all. I'm sorry I've been gone for a minute. I'm back. Don't cry, I'm back. Okay, and yeah, y'all, so if y'all did enjoy this video, please give this video a big thumbs up right before you leave. And with that being said, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.